You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you some of my braided wigs. So guys, these wigs, they're not complicated, they don't have baby hair, they don't have a lace, so like they're good for moms or for those people who don't have baby hair or lace. Yeah, so they're not complicated, by the way, they're not complicated, simple and easy to manage as well. Guys, if you're interested in any of my wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I will make it for you. Okay, so let's start. And also comment your favorite wig, the wig that you love the most. And today we're not going to talk about this one, but this is actually my favorite color and also my favorite style. Yeah, so let me show you the 5 of them.
Take myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment.
So guys, this is our first wig, and all the wigs that I'm going to show you today are not complete. I've not sewn combs and bands on them. I'll do that later. So I'm just going to try them on without the bands and the combs. And all the wigs that I'm going to show you, again, they're very light. You can fold them, you can carry them in your bag. They're not heavy at all. So guys, just make sure you comment below your favorite color and your favorite style.
Make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. They say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain.
This video is supposed to be on braided wigs that don't have baby hair or lace, but the reason why I decided to show you this wig has a lace and I'll add baby hair on it. But the reason why I decided to show you this is because on my previous tutorial on this wig, most of you wanted me to put that hair in a ponytail. So in today's video I'm going to put it in a ponytail, and I hope you love it. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just comment below your favorite wig or the wig that you didn't like. Okay, so if you want to order any of these wigs, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below or in the description box, so you can contact me and I will make it for you. Okay, that was it for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.